You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but confusing names from Greek mythology, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. The goddess of snow. Yes, from Greek indeed. So this name spelled that way in English is generally said as Khione, Khione, because of this K. Now it is often spelled with CH at the beginning, and that's because the name in Greek has, of course, different Greek spelling, and it is said as Khione, Khione. So if you want to be more correct and use a pronunciation that is closer to the original Greek name, Khione, Khione is how it is said, although many do pronounce it as Khione. And now you know it all. I think. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of more confusing names, including from ancient Greece. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.